Homeowners today have numerous eco-friendly pest control options, from citronella candles to water traps. However, few are as natural and inexpensive as cucumbers. Surprisingly, raw, bitter cucumbers serve as an effective green pest control method, though many homeowners are unaware of this. While this technique may not eliminate a major infestation, it can address minor pest issues and can be used alongside other eco-friendly methods. Here are some common household pests that can be deterred with a simple cucumber. 1. Ants. Ants are repelled by the scent of cucumber peels. Research suggests that ants dislike the bitter taste, the fungus-fighting properties, and the unpleasant smell of cucumbers. To use cucumbers as a deterrent, place slices of cucumber peels in key areas of your home where ants are commonly seen, particularly near food sources. Additionally, positioning cucumber peels at entry points like gaps, crevices, and holes can help prevent ants from entering. 2. Snails. You may have once bought or received live plants for your aquarium and placed them directly into the tank as soon as you got home. A few days or weeks later, while observing the tank, you notice a couple of random snails. Weeks or months go by, and suddenly, snails are everywhere in the aquarium. This overpopulation is a common experience for those new to dealing with pest snails in the hobby, leaving many wondering how to get rid of them. Some species, like Malaysian trumpet snails, are nocturnal and tend to burrow in the substrate, making them harder to collect. In such cases, you can attract the snails using vegetables as bait. Drop a piece of cucumber into the aquarium overnight, and by morning, it should be covered in snails, ready for you to remove. You can then give the snails to a friend with snail-eating fish, or find another home for them. 3. Bees. Cucumbers are a summer staple, perfect for keeping you refreshed and adding a crisp touch to salads. Interestingly, cucumber peels also serve as an excellent natural repellent for bees. Though it might seem too simple to be effective, it works remarkably well. Bees are repelled by the acidity in cucumber peels, making them ideal for keeping these insects away from your food. To use this method, place the peels around your outdoor area. Another effective technique is to slice a fresh cucumber and line the peels on an aluminum pie plate. The reaction between the cucumber and aluminum produces a chemical odor that bees find intolerable. 4. Cockroaches. Dealing with cockroaches in your home can be stressful, even if you only spot a few. However, cucumbers from your kitchen might offer a natural solution to this problem. While it may sound like an old wives' tale, scientific research has shown since the 1980s that cucumbers can effectively repel cockroaches. This makes cucumbers a practical and cost-effective option for pest control. A 1984 study by Kansas State University's Department of Chemistry confirmed that cucumbers contain compounds that can deter cockroaches. The research found that crushed cucumbers were the most effective repellent compared to whole or sliced cucumbers. Crushing the cucumber releases compounds from the vegetable cells, creating a reaction that drives cockroaches away. To use this method, mash a cucumber in a blender, or cut it into pieces and crush it with a potato masher or similar tool. Place the crushed cucumber in small dishes around areas where you've seen cockroaches or where you want to prevent them from appearing. While some sources suggest using cucumber slices, they are generally less effective than crushed cucumber. Additionally, the cucumber dishes will need frequent replacement as the vegetables spoil quickly. This method may only repel cockroaches in a limited area, so several dishes might be needed. It's also worth noting that while crushed cucumbers are effective against American cockroaches, German cockroaches may sometimes consume them. Identifying the type of roaches in your home can help you determine if this method is right for you, as cucumbers might not be as effective in all cases. 5. Silverfish. Cucumbers are particularly effective against silverfish due to their crawling nature. To use cucumbers for pest control, Place the bitter peels in problem areas and replace them frequently. The more bitter the cucumber, the better it works as an eco-friendly solution. Silverfish are especially repelled by the peels, so if you prefer not to leave whole cucumber slices around, simply use a vegetable peeler to obtain the peels. Remember to replace them regularly to maintain their effectiveness. 6. Flies. Flies are a common nuisance during the summer months, and they pose health risks by potentially transmitting diseases, especially when they land on food. Fortunately, there's a natural and effective method to repel flies and keep them away this summer. Flies are deterred by the smell of cucumbers, making them a great tool for keeping these pests out of your kitchen and dining areas. If flies are attracted to your trash or food bins, placing cucumber slices on top can help prevent them from laying eggs. Additionally, placing cucumber slices in areas around your home where flies are a problem can help keep them away. 7. Slugs and snails. If grubs and slugs are damaging your garden beds, cucumbers might be the solution you need. Much like their use for repelling bees, placing a few cucumber slices in a small aluminum pie tin can help keep these pests at bay throughout the season. The reaction between cucumber and aluminum produces a scent that, while undetectable to humans, is highly effective at driving away garden pests. Additionally, leftover cucumber peels are not only great for composting, but can also serve as a natural pest control for indoor plants. Even low-maintenance houseplants can attract pests, so using cucumber peels can help keep unwanted visitors away. The bitter taste of the peels deters mites, ants, moths, and wasps. Many indoor gardeners place cucumber peels in kitchen corners, on windowsills, or in cabinets to manage bug problems. If you notice your houseplants showing signs of distress, such as yellowing, wilting leaves, or tiny moving dots on the underside of leaves, you may be dealing with mites. Cucumbers can help repel these mites due to their chemical pheromones, which are bitter-tasting compounds that insects dislike. To combat mites, you can place cucumber peels directly in the plant soil. Since mites prefer dry conditions, increasing humidity around your plants by misting them regularly can also help. Alternatively, a cucumber water spray can be used to keep mites away from your houseplants. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.